Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again. So in this video, we're going to discuss how to get big bonuses when you open a business checking account at different banks or US financial institutions. So it's not about personal checking account or savings account, it's about business checking account. If you open a business checking account, you can also get a big bonus from different banks. So in this video, the bank that we're going to talk about is US Bank, which is offering $1,200 bonus if you open a business checking account with them. So let's take a look. What is that offer? How to open that account? What are the requirements? And when you can get this $1,200 big bonus from US Bank. Let's go. So here, first, let's look at some of the features of the US Bank. So some of the features of the US Bank business account are you can open it online in less than 10 minutes. I tried myself. Sometimes they tell you that they're gonna reach out to you and asking you more information. In that case, that's fine. They're gonna give you a number. You can call them or they can call you, however you prefer. You can wait for their call or you can proactively call them to finish your application. And sometimes if you provide all the information accurately and they think all the information are correct, then probably the account is going to be opened right away. So it depends. But submit an online application and follow the next step. Then the other feature is free cash deposit, free transaction. So if you don't do any ACH transaction, it's totally free. If you don't do any bill pay, it's free. And if you don't do any cash deposit, it's also free. There are some limitations in terms of how many you can do, but most of the time, the limit is much higher, so you don't have to worry about it. Then there is also a monthly maintenance fee. Usually it's $30 per month, but if you meet some conditions, it can be waived. And the other one, the last one, which is the one that I was talking about, is $1,200 big bonus. So this is really huge. If you open a new business account and you get $1,200, this is really huge. And I'm going to show you what are the requirements and how I got it. And here's also other thing. Even if you don't maintain the requirements to get the monthly maintenance fee waived, let's say for 3 months you pay $90, still you have $1,110 bonus. 1,200 minus 90, 30 days per month, the maintenance fee times 3. So still it's a huge offer. Now let's take a look at some of the requirements, how you can get it. So here's the link to get the business offer. So www.usbank.com/splash business checking promo.html. You take this link, I'm gonna put it in my comment, or you just go to the Google and write US Bank 1,200 business offer, and then you're gonna see this screenshot in the website, and you're gonna follow the instruction to open the account. It also says the offer expires on January 14, 2026. So make sure you open and take this bonus offer by that time. You just need to open the bank account by that time. And then once you meet the requirements, then you're going to get the $1,200 bonus. Now, what are the information you need to open a business account at US Bank? So you need some personal information, and then also you need to provide some business information. Let's take a look. So in terms of the personal information, you need to give your social security number, your legal name as it is in the SSN, your email address, your home address, your mobile number. That's it. But since it's a business account, you also need to provide some business related information. And what are those? First, you need to provide your business taxpayer ID number or EIN, employer identification number. Most of us have the EIN if you operate a business, and it's very easy to take from IRS. You can take the same day going through the online. You need to provide your legal business name. Make sure this business name matches to the document of the business that you have. Your business physical address, whatever address you have for a business, just provide that. And the minimum opening deposit of $100. So you can pay it via credit or debit, or you can go to the branch, however you prefer. Make sure you do this $100 minimum deposit when you open the account. Now, what are the requirements to get this huge $1,200 bonus? So first of all, as always, you need to open a new US Bank Platinum Business Checking account. Even if you have a personal checking account with them, that's fine. You can still open the US business account with them and get this bonus. I got bonus from personal and business both. But for the business, they're also saying if you open online, you need to make sure you own 20% or more of your business. If you own 2% or 3%, maybe it's not going to work online. You need to go to the branch. Branch may have a different requirements depending on the branch you go to. But if you open online, make sure that your document says you are more than 20% or more shareholder of this business. Then the number two, which is very important, you need to deposit at least $25,000 within 30 days of opening account. Look at here, it's not a direct deposit, it's just a deposit. So deposit this $25,000 from your external account, not from your personal US Bank account if you have one, from your external account to this business account just via ACH, and you get this bonus. Number three, maintain the $25,000 balance for 60 days after account opening. So maintain this balance for 60 days after account opening. And the number four, which is very important, complete 5 qualifying transactions within 60 days. So it's just not enough that you deposit $25,000. You also need to do 5 qualifying transactions, which is not a huge deal. Just go to the gas station and swipe your card 5 times. That's it. Now I'm going to show what are these 5 qualifying transactions. You even don't need to go there. You can also do different ACH transfer, credit, debit. Let me show you what are the different qualifying transactions. Now here are different qualifying transactions. You see, debit card purchase, like I told you, go to the gas station, go to the grocery, wherever you go, just swipe cards 5 times. Or ACH credit, get some money from different financial institution to your account. That's going to also qualify. Wire transfer, obviously, but wire transfer can cost you money. Zelle credits and debits, US Bank mobile check deposit, bill pay, payment received via US Bank payment solutions. So these are the qualifying transactions that you can do. Probably just take your debit card, swipe 5 times. I think that's probably the easiest. That's what I did. But you can do any of these qualifying transactions to qualify for a $1,200 bonus. It's a huge bonus. Now here I'm going to show you how I got $1,000 bonus, because when I applied 3 months ago, about 3 months ago, 2.5 months ago, it was $1,000, not $1,200. It seems like recently they increased to $1,200. So, but it's the same rules, conditions that you need to satisfy. So you see here on August 22, most likely I opened the account, and then on August I sent the money from my external account. August 25, I deposited $25,001, and then I also deposited $5 next month. And then you see I went to the restaurant, swiped my card, and then on November 10th I got big $1,000 bonus. It's a huge bonus. So you see, from 8/22 until November 10th, so it's like what, 70 days. So within 70 days I got this $1,000 bonus. This is a huge bonus. So you should definitely try it, meeting all those requirements that I've outlined here to get this bonus. Now you're going to get $200 more. Now it's $1,200 with the same requirements. Now let's say you don't have $25,000. You can also go for $400 bonus, just depositing $5,000. So if I were in your shoes, I would go manage $25,000 somehow and get this $1,000 instead of putting $5,000 to get $400, because $1,000 is a huge $1,200. Sorry, you can get now $1,200. I got $1,000, but you can now get $1,200. $1,200 is a huge bonus instead of getting 4. It's like 3 times. So definitely you should try. You just need to keep the money for 70 days to get this bonus. So this is all the information that I wanted to provide you in order to get this $1,200 bonus depositing just $25,000. Again, it's not a direct deposit, just a deposit. So I hope this video is helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe or share. It would mean a lot for us to come up with more helpful content so that you can make some extra money. And please reach out to me or book some time with me. If you need any help or support, I can walk you through to make sure that you get this bonus. And thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.